Good afternoon, guys. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sarah and I'm an expat in Vietnam. This is
Dad.
And he's been visiting me for just over 3.5 weeks now. If you're a regular on the channel, you would have known that my parents have been visiting, they extended their trip, and if you've watched the latest video, you'll even know the biggest update, which is, drum roll please.
We are extending our stay, possibly by 6 months, maybe 12 months. Too much to explore, too much to see, too much to do. I don't know where to start. We haven't even done Da Nang properly yet.
Today we're visiting another city-side apartment.
So keep up to date, sign up and sign on. You know, you don't want to miss anything.
You heard him, sign up and sign on. That means subscribe, and please hit the thumbs up button.
Yeah, that's it.
Apartment number 1, which is the previous video, please go check that out if you haven't. Yeah. What was your score? Do you remember it?
About 7, I think.
7 out of 10. Yeah. I hope this one is a 9.
Oh, let's hope so.
Here we go. Come on. Xin chào. Yeah, Sarah. Nice to meet you. This is my dad. First impressions of the lobby?
Lobby's very nice, actually.
Yeah.
Guarded by a hefty guard there. Some lovely plants here, look.
AC, yeah.
I think it's a nice reception area.
I've not seen this before. We're semi-outside, semi-inside. She's having trouble with the door.
She's having trouble with the door. If she's having trouble with the door,
yeah, Dad,
I've got no chance.
Dad, yeah, small channel. I think something's going on. It's not been cleaned, it's not been renovated.
Right.
Oh, a bit of an anticlimax, man, because I was so excited for this one.
Oh, quite excited too.
Right, let's show you anyway. Wow, look at that view, dude.
That certainly ticks the box of what I was saying earlier. A cup of coffee in your hand and sitting on the balcony and just with your own thoughts and views.
So, Dad's morning coffee, check. Whoa, look at this balcony.
I feel at home now.
God damn.
Where's my coffee? Come on, dear.
The width of this balcony is much better than ours, isn't it?
Much better. So this ticks that box. The morning coffee and the view. You've got the mountains on your left, down there. I think that's a Sontra Peninsula, isn't it? Monkey Mountain, I think.
Yeah. Monkey Mountain or Sontra Peninsula.
Yeah, hand bridge right over there. Oh, so you can see Mr. Dragon from here. I thought this was a mirror.
Oh no, yeah.
You can see straight through and say hi to Mr. Dragon.
So you'd still be able to see the fire. You're closer actually, you're much closer. Oh, it's such a shame that they haven't renovated. We're not getting the full effect.
I do like these.
Yeah, good coffee tables. What do you think of the sofa?
Not bad. If I turn that around here, right, then I could sit comfortably. That is what I call a coffee morning, right? Now I can be with my thoughts and my coffee. On a clear day, should be able to see the sea.
I think the tenants haven't moved some of their stuff out, so
there's a lot of paraphernalia, there's a lot of, I think, work going on. Yeah. But, outside of that, you can visualise what it'd be like. And you've got the nice, sexy sofa there. So far, so good. It ticks the boxes.
The dining table has a bench on one side and 4 seats on the other side. Is that solid? Solid wood?
Bare muscle. Can you see the muscles?
Bare muscles. Oh, that's heavy.
I don't think so. Push open storage, yeah? Yeah, push open. Yeah, again, storage. So this is a good feature, I think. Good feature for odd and ends to hide away.
As soon as you enter the apartment, on the right is the kitchen.
Yeah. It's tiny. I think it's okay for one person.
Do you think?
Well, I suppose you could.
I think it's fine for 2.
Do you think it's fine for 2? A bit squeezed up? But hey-ho.
It'd be fun, I guess, going back and forth, cooking together. I love that there's a door in the kitchen.
It's called the utility room.
Is it?
Yeah, you've got, I think, the washing machine, the dryer, and then, of course, you get your brooms and brushes.
Oh, nice.
And you get a water tank up there as well. I'm not sure what down there is, but that doesn't look too pretty. Yeah.
You've got a nice, decent-sized fridge, freezer. Sorry, the filming's really bad. It is a small, tiny kitchen.
It's tiny compared to your kitchen, because yours is open plan.
Yeah, but that's just because it's only got 2 worktops as an L shape. This, I actually kind of love. It's contained.
Yeah, it's not open plan, but you've got a nice open plan space here, haven't you? Move on to, shall we try the second room here first? Oh, yeah. Ta-da.
Oh, it's not a double bed.
Yeah, single.
Okay, so it's got 1 double bed and 1 single.
Yeah. This is like a prison to me. I couldn't survive in this.
Decent sized shower, but no door. No door on the shower. It's got storage space for your clothes and a desk and a chair to work, but it's a single bed.
I don't want to denigrate too much, but this reminds you of one of my HMO rooms.
This looks nice. This has got to be the coolest office space / working area I've seen in a long time.
No, this looks professional, more like PhD student level, I think.
I see what you mean. It's the colour of the wood. It's very office vibey, isn't it?
It is office vibey.
It's not home. It's not homely. Dad's noticing the colour of this wood and laminate throughout the entire.
Stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, a lot of separate storage space there. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but more storage.
Which is what you need. That is definitely what you and Mum need.
So I think this is quite cool.
Mum and Dad are hoarders, as are most immigrant parents. So this is perfect.
Oh, that's more like it. We need some light. And it's a shame there's no balcony here, but...
It's a shame about the tint on the bottom, but the view is nice.
Yeah.
Do you see what I mean about build quality?
Yeah.
This is an old building. It's had a high turnover of tenants. It's not going to be as flush as the first apartment we viewed. Guys, if you haven't seen that, head over to the previous video to this one, and you'll see another apartment where the build quality was unreal.
Well, I'm going to have to climb over Mum, or she's going to have to climb over me.
Oh, do you not like that?
I don't like that idea. Look, I need to go around the bloody bed, not,
From the bottom.
not from the bottom over there.
Fair enough.
I need a side table. It hasn't got a side table.
Ensuite.
Right, let's have a look.
Okay, it's not, yeah, they're not the best bathrooms.
No, they're not.
It might be the fact that this is an old building, but usually bathrooms in Vietnam or in Da Nang, what I've seen, have been huge. These are the two smallest bathrooms I've seen. Not bad though. Lovely big shower, tiny sink, which if you watch the previous video, you'll know Dad loves a big basin.
Yeah, I need to have a shave and a splash and, wash my head with cool water. Design might be okay, but it lacks a side table on both sides. And the windows are no good.
The window's putting you off, isn't it? Lovely view, lovely balcony. I can't get over that balcony, it's beautiful. We might as well do the closing here.
Yeah,
I could tell this is lower than a 7. We're basically rating all these properties that we hunt for Dad out of 10.
Yeah.
So what's your rating for this one?
6, I think. It's student stuff, and not for me. It's
I'd go
student
5.
stuff. Really?
Yeah. I think you're being nice.
I'm being a little bit generous. Okay. Yeah. 5.5, 6, I think, because it just gives me a student feel. I'm a landlord. I let a lot of these properties out in the UK, and it's basically student. I don't want to live like a student anymore.
Yeah, no, that's a fair point, and you're entitled to do that. Dad's retired. He wants to have a good build quality. He wants to have views, like you heard. He wants his coffee views.
The kitchen didn't do it for me. The bedrooms.
Yeah. Not that he spends any time in the kitchen, just saying. But this isn't the end yet. There's 3 apartments available in this building.
Right.
So this is the 16th floor. The 5th floor is also available, but after seeing this one, I don't think...
Do we want to waste our time on the...
No. But the main reason, the main event, is that I wanted to show Dad the penthouse. I've got high hopes for the penthouse.
In this building?
In this building, yeah. That's what I was talking about when we left. I forgot that we were viewing this one first. When I said I've got high hopes, it's for the penthouse. Fingers crossed, the build quality is better than this one. Photos never look like reality in Vietnam.
Right.
Yeah, it's a little bit of an anticlimax, or it's better than what you expected. It's never on par. The photos always are so different to how the apartment or house actually looks, well, what it looks like in reality.
I mean, generally, I think penthouses have got a real high expectation in everybody's head. So we'll see.
We'll see.
Right. That's it, I'm sold. That's it.
My building doesn't have this. Come and check out this high-tech gym. There's so much equipment. No, it's cool though. I love a treadmill with a view. This is a lovely terrace. Yeah, not bad actually.
Can't grumble with that. Can't grumble with that at all.
It's just the build quality. You're paying the same price as a lot of other apartments that are brand new.
Right.
And I think the price is high because of the location. For the main event, the finale.
The finale.
The
right.
Penthouse.
Okay.
Oh, I love the flooring.
Yeah, nice floor. I think it's...
Nice view.
Nice view. Yeah, very nice view. So first things first, Dad, let's check your coffee with a view.
Coffee with a view. Yeah, I think it ticks that box, definitely, because I could change the sofa around and face the view, and I can see the sea.
And another thing about the balcony that's fantastic, it's glass. Even when you're sat there, you can see the view, it's not metal.
Yeah.
We've got a nice little TV section.
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of the grey sofa and the black TV unit thing.
Do you think that comes part with?
Yeah, it's all going to be included. Yeah.
I do like the open plan, right? Gives it volume, gives it space.
It's just a bit cold.
Well, we could redecorate, couldn't we? Or can't we?
You
touch
could,
it?
but you don't really want to. You don't want to pay for a place. The kitchen is nicer than the other two we've seen. Lovely worktop, lovely kitchen units. It feels more spacious because it's open plan. The dining table is lovely. Green chairs are nice. A random gaming chair on the dining table.
Oh, it's a gaming chair. I thought it was an office chair. Oh, right, okay.
But the kitchen's much nicer than the others.
Yeah.
I do love the kitchen. And a huge American-style fridge freezer. Right, show us the bedrooms, dude.
Right, let's go. Let's proceed onwards and forwards. Right, I do like the flooring. Parquet type design flooring.
Oh, it's herringbone.
Herringbone. Ah, right.
Big bed,
Yeah.
home city, and big bedroom. You can make it one
TV?
night something.
Yeah.
It's very big, Dad.
Thank you.
En suites, big bathroom.
Yeah.
Ah, waterfall shower head, but no handheld. But the shower's got a door. Lovely tile.
Yeah, and I can actually have a shave and a splash about with the basin, sink basin.
It's okay.
This is a penthouse, isn't it?
For same window.
This is the penthouse.
Penthouse, yeah.
Does that one you can
What are we
keep
doing
it?
with this in a penthouse?
I'm quite disappointed with this penthouse, if I'm honest.
Penthouse, not quite a
Chịu
penthouse.
lâu quá.
No.
I think what gives it the name is the height. It's on a top level.
It's what you said earlier. When you say penthouse, you've got high expectations.
Yeah, really high.
Can you tell my little dad's deflated? Ah,
That's all right.
that's all right. Come on.
Dude,
I feel really bad.
I sacrificed so much for this. The dinner, the
sorry.
pizza, and all of that, and the
I'll
viewing
give you
of it.
pizza now. I'll get you pizza right now. I honestly thought the penthouse was going to be amazing.
I've done so many steps to get to this.
You can't stick your nose up at the view. The view is incredible. The balcony is also incredible. The balcony flooring and width is way better than ours. It's just unfortunate that the finish, the build quality, the layout, the feel of it, it's just not, it's not what we expected. It's not up to standard. It's not up to expectations. It's a 1 year sabbatical from retirement. You want the best quality, the best year you can have, and a fantastic apartment. The whole point of me filming these is to show you the quality available in Vietnam, and this particular building does not meet that quality. There are loads of other buildings that do.
I had high expectations for that, you know, a penthouse. And when you mention a penthouse in the UK, you think, whoa, you know, this is some serious building here, some serious stuff.
I know.
But
So we'll finish off. What's the score for this one?
I think because of the views and because of the locality, maybe 7.
So same as apartment number 1. Okay.
Yeah.
This one's going to be a 5 from me. Thank you so much for watching. What should they do, Dad?
They should hit the box, sign up, and ring on the bell.
Sign up, ring the bell, hit the box, tick it all, do it all.
Yeah.
Wherever you are in the world, be wild, be safe, and we shall see you in the next one.
Over and out.